Welcome friends. As we have already created a series of tutorial for creating material request, and then from the approval login we have approved the request. Now we will learn how we have to create purchase order. So let's first see to in the material request. We can see and can search it. Here you can see that now these options are enabled. Create PO for both the material request, and now they are disabled because now you cannot edit, neither you can delete it. And now we will go to the next step, that is purchase order. We will create we have already skipped this move order. We will tell you that in the tutorial number 7. Now we will come on to the purchase order. Here you can see there are 4 tabs. One is the search purchase order if you have created it. One is from the material request. Other is to create it, to show and amend it. This all will be active after you create a purchase order. So let's first create a purchase order. Now we will create this from the material request. So let's start creating a PO. Yes. So this is the material request. These are the details. So what is the purchase order date? So we will say it is like Friday 22nd. And what is the type of purchase? It is a building material. And who is the purchaser? Mr. Nitin is our purchaser. So we will write here Mr. Nitin. We have to search for the vendor. Suppose Mr. Kamal Traders, they are supplying this, so we can just click this. We can add a vending item also from here only. Can add a number directly from here. Suppose Mr. Kamal Traders is supplying us nail. So there are 2 types of items. One is nail and one is conduit pipe. So first we will go with the nails. So we will add a nail here, so that save item. So it will automatically be saved in the vendor registration panel. So now we want nails. So here we will put 3. So it shows that maximum number allowed is 2 only, because we already created a request for the 2 bags. So now we'll go for 2 bags. Here we have to, per bag you have to mention the price. Suppose it is coming around 350, so we will mention 350. The VAT percentage is 14.5 and the excise duty is 2%. So this all details will mention it. Required date, you can mention that you want this item latest by 26th. So that's all. You have to not touch this section of conduit pipe, as you want just this nails. If you want to add any purchase remark or terms and condition, you can add here and just click on create purchase order. So it will pop up a window that PO has been created with the following ID. Now if you click on the show PO, like for material request, this is the search. We have clicked on the search, so this is the PO we have created. Still we can click on the show button, so we can see what PO we have created. This total trade is coming around 815. And if we go back and search, we can also amend it, we can edit it at this point of time. So this is how we can edit it. Still you can edit it. So this is how it shows. Now again we have to go to the approval panel and we have to approve it. After we approve it, we can create a receipt note on the site. So when this purchase order is created and the item is received on the site, then we go to the next step, that is the good receipt mode. This I will show you on the next tutorial. Thank you. For any query, you can drop a mail into erp@manamo.com or you can log into manamo.com. Thank you.